677. Same thing. Huh?
Hadith 677, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reported, Messenger of Allah said, Sallallahu said, you will covert for getting a position of authority. But remember that it will be a cause of humiliation and remorse on the day of resurrection.
Right, so this is a very stern warning against those people who are keen to take positions. Because if the person, he took such a position, he did not do what the due right of that position, he will be exposing himself to what? To punishment with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have to be doing the job in the best of the ways. So if you have been taken in the position where you're going to be leading, like a minister, like a sub-minister, whatever, you are in leadership, make sure that if you're going to take, if it has been given to you, that to do it in the best of way. If you haven't been given to that position, don't ask for it. Ikhwani, always being keen to take such positions, it will ruin your deen. And man taraqa abwab as-salatin faqad iftutin. He who does knock on the doors of those who are sultans, he will be in fitna. You know, what are you going to do if you see, for example, the sultan put you inside and he showed you the richness that you've never seen in your life and this luxury life, and then he gave you such and such position or such and such thing, and lots of people had failed, and lots of people changed their deen and manhaj because of that. They were shouting their head off before that sort of position. Just choose me as a candidate. I will do this and I will do that. I will make your road like gold. You're walking on gold. I will make you to be having a salary such and such. Okay, and he promises and promises and promises. When he's in the leadership, he's worse than the one before him. Where is the gold that he promised us? Where is the money? When Hosni Mubarak, the leadership of the president of Egypt, they went and they made him to go down, and he's the only one from the leaders who had gone by himself. 500 people being killed. He said, I don't know, let more people to be killed. He stepped down. They want Hosni Mubarak now. He died, but look what is happening. They're getting worse. Hosni Mubarak. And that time they were saying that my salary is only can bring me 4 kilos of meat, lamb. Now, I wouldn't say even their salary will bring with them 4 grams of meat. Nothing. Their money's gone down, plunged down. So it's always worse, ya ikhwani. What are they after? SubhanAllah. Masajid is there. You're after the dunya. Type. This is from the hadith of the, you could say, prophethood marks, an indication, because the Prophet ﷺ, he had said about that this person who is keen to take the leadership, this is what is going to happen. So now we're coming to chapter 82, which we'll leave it, inshallah, for next week, bi'idhnillah. And we have a holiday breakage after the 30th of July. There will be no classes for 4 weeks, inshallah. Right, after the 30th of July.